What is that, a small mouse? Where did you bring it in? Pipsy, what is this? A mouse? You're bringing mouse in early in the morning? How did you do that? And now you're purring all the way? Oh no. Pipsy, you have to remove it from the house. No. Oh no. Pipsy, no. Pipsy. Now he's happy about it. Pipsy. Pipsy, you want me to see that you brought me a gift? Now, this is really... Oh. Pipsy, I'm on the chair. Pipsy. There it is. Pipsy, I can see you brought me a gift, but I am scared. Pipsy, I'm going to remove the little mouse that you brought in. I'm not happy doing this. Pipsy, come, mind your tail here. Oopsie. Let me just put this newspaper underneath. Okay, now I need to lift it up. Pipsy, and you are purring along here. I can't do it. Oh my. Yeah, it's gone now. The mouse is gone. No more mouse. Yeah, it's